Hey guys, it's Brandon, aka the Workman's Pomp, and today I'm going to be talking about another Dominus pomade product, and that is Pendulum, the hybrid jelly pomade. Now you might be asking, what makes a hybrid jelly pomade a hybrid jelly pomade? Well, looking on the back, outside of water, which is the first ingredient, castor jelly is the second ingredient, then mango butter, and then cannella wax. What does that mean? It makes for an unusually slick and nourishing pomade product. So let's get into it. Looking at the jar, I mean, this is a little bit different than the Dominus stuff that I'm used to because they usually come in like those thinner type jars. But this one is like the old classic, kind of brings me back, makes me a little nostalgic, which is going to be good for you guys because I'm going to do a pomp with this, or try to do a slick style. On the side, it has the ingredients. It says it's the hybrid jelly pomade. It says it's medium hold, medium shine. Personally, I think that this is more on the higher end of a medium and the higher end of a medium shine, but still. And then on the side, it says apply amount desired on palms and rub evenly on hands. Distribute product on hair and style. Scent is gin and tonic. So let's pop this open. So yeah, it kind of has it does kind of have like a ginny, like a beefeater gin type smell with like a little bit of a lime aftertaste, after scent. Popping this open, it doesn't look too jelly. I always leave the top layer when reviewing so you can see, but like, look at this. So a little bit of tension, but when it pops out, you can see, like, let me get really close. See how that's like really smooth? It's like I'm gonna get a big fat wad of this too. Don't say anything. And I'm going to, look at this. So mixing this in, you can feel like the slickness and the mango butter, and the breakdown. Also, if you haven't seen, I have huge ass calluses on my hands from working out. I just got back from working out. I'm in my workout gear, and it smells so good. It just feels good on the hands too. So applying it to the hair, now this is where it feels kind of different. My hair is kind of damp, admittedly, from the sweat. But applying it to the hair, it goes in pretty thick. A couple of extra strays, but I don't feel like the application on this is really bad. Now, the type of style that you're gonna wanna do with this, so you could do something like this if you're kind of like, if that's your prerogative, or you could do like what I typically do, which is something kind of like this. But because of the nature of this product, you can see it's like a little bit waxier. It's not too bad. Like the castor jelly and the mango butter kind of take off the edge of what I typically don't like about a wax. But doing something like this, you can blow dry it, but ultimately it kind of just comes out feeling like really waxy and slick. It looks like you have something in your hair. So personally, I feel like the best way to style with this is to do like that executive part contour or a pomp. Because like, look, when you slide that back, look at that. See how like nice that is? You get like a nice, I'm not saying you can't do something like what I was saying. I just really feel the way that this product is made is it's made for like your homies that like grease. That's it. Like that old school kind of like pomp type look. And the thing I like about this is restylability will be really good for most of the day. And it'll stay like this because the wax is in there, but it'll stay nice and shiny. So if you're looking for if you're like oil based or you like greasier type pomades, and you're looking for kind of like a transition to like out of oil based or something that's a little less aggressive but still has that feel, this is a good like middleman. There we go. That's pretty good. So yeah, I think that this particular product really kind of just aids itself to more of like a pomp or a side part or something like that. And it'll stay for the majority of the day. Now, I don't have my hair like perfectly cut into a pomp shape. So obviously, you know, cut me some slack, but that's just doing it like it is. So you can see the shine on there. You can see how it looks, how I wear it. So I would do something like this. I'd get a thicker comb and I would just kind of do something like this, kind of like a pomp almost, but more of like a comb over type thing. Don't call it a comb back. I've been here for days. Okay, I've been here for years. So yeah, I would do something like a little bit looser, a little bit, some style like that. So yeah, what do I think about the Dominus Pomade Pendulum hybrid jelly pomade? Well, I think it's really good. The only problem with it I kind of ran into is that it is kind of niche. Like you kind of, I mean, like it does say jelly in the title, so it's kind of like marketing itself as a gel, kind of. So, you know, it is kind of like that type of product, meaning that like if you don't like shine and you don't like that whole type of like avenue, then this isn't going to be for you. Like it does have shine, it does like it does look like you have something in your hair, definitely. It does look kind of like, I'm gonna be honest with you, like it does look a little greasy in the hair, like, you know, you can see, which isn't a bad thing if that's the style you want to go for. Like sometimes I want it to look like I got something in my hair. My calic is really going crazy today. But sometimes I want it to look like there's something in the hair, and sometimes I want it to, you know, like shine. Sometimes I want to pop. And this is good because you can get that oil-based kind of look without there being, you know, the washout problems and like the really like greasy, sweaty problems that you get from using an oil base. So overall, I'm going to give this a 4.7 out of 5. I think that this is a excellent product. I think that it is, I wouldn't say it's niche, but I think that you're going to want to use this for a specific style. And I think that's okay if that's what you're looking for. If you're looking for something with a more of a medium to firm hold and a medium to like medium high shine, this is going to be right down your alley. And the added bonus of this is because it has the mango butter and the castor jelly and like all of that other stuff. It has apricot oil and stuff like that in there. It's going to come out, like your hair is going to come out looking really nice after you wash it and feeling really soft. So you kind of get that added almost like a leave-in conditioner feel for this stuff. So that's my story. I'm sticking to it. Let me know if you've tried this stuff. Let me know what you think. Have a good one, guys.